This conference will now be recorded.
Hi, hello all. Welcome to the next session on enhancement. In the last few classes, we have discussed about user exits and customer exits. In the customer exits, we have seen function exits and menu. Okay, I didn't explain about menu exits. And we have seen the CA includes and screen exits. And also we have seen how to append the domain fixed values and how to change the data elements, standard data elements. And baddies, we have seen a lot of baddies and the transaction PA30 and VL0 to N, and also we have seen one more VL0 to N, and one more transaction also we have seen. I think yeah, business partner ML81N, and also business partner also we have seen the bad 4 transactions we have seen, which is in a real time guys. So recently we have implemented on this. It's not a trial, it's not a demo kind of stuff. It's a real transactions, the real time requirements we did. And the now we are going to talk about, suppose if you don't find any user exit or customer exits or baddies, we prefer to go with the enhancement framework guys. So in enhancement framework is in a new baddie, it's in a kernel baddie, and which is implemented by using get baddie statement, ABAP statement, get baddie. Okay, the performance point of view, the new baddies are faster compared to the classic baddies. The classic baddies are can be uh, find by using class cl underscore exit handler, the get instance method. And we have implemented most of the classic baddies, and now we are going to see the uh, kernel baddies or new baddies by using enhancement framework. So there are two types of kernel baddies or enhancement framework. One is the implicit enhancement, another one is the explicit enhancement guys. So the implicit enhancement is SAP given internally. There are some places, and with that we are going to find out. So first you need to go to any program, and you need to find first place where exactly you need to do. That's you will get only by our debugging only guys. With the debugging only you can find the where exactly you need to write the code. So in that, if you want to implement your own code, first I will click on a spiral symbol. This is the spiral symbol. Okay, it's in a coil, mosquito coil. See, same mosquito coil, we can say it's in a spiral symbol, and click on this, and it will show the double quotes. There only you can implement the enhancement spots. So if you find suitable point, double click on the double quotes, sorry, right click on the double quotes, and go with the enhancement operation and create the implicit enhancement, create the implementation, then you are going to implement it, yes. And today we are going to see that again, and maybe we'll go to the S4HANA system once, then I will take it to our own system. It's when I do the enhancement, it's taking long time, guys. So our SAP EC system, that's why I'm not using that. And the BP, and something we go to see guys, BP business transaction, and we are talking about a lot of things in the business transaction. I have given very important guys these things. Okay, in the S4HANA system, everybody handles with this tables, and also these baddies case. So these baddies, and also I will give the interfaces BAPIs as well. So total business partner functionality is main in the S4 HANA. So these are some tables, and so we have implemented subscreen. The screens, the address check. Suppose if you want to do an address check, you can do the address check functionality, duplicate check, address check, and bank related functionality you can check in the BADI bank check, and credit card related things you can do the validations in the credit card check in the BADI's case. But some things I cannot do by using these baddies. Then that time maybe you need to go with the enhancement framework. Maybe I will go to the one more one of the business partner, and maybe what we planned is in the validity to date case. This should be automated SC11, and there is a structure guys, ADDR2 underscore data. I think we'll check. Yes, this is a structure. See guys, there is a valid from and valid to guys. So this is the structure, and maybe if I found this structure, maybe I can do a I can do the um, enhancement. Actually, I have one program which I found in the debugging in the yesterday. So the program is see guys. This is one of the include program. Control C. I will put the breakpoints in this. So I told I will prepare this, and this is a one of the include program. And also one more thing is the address data will be available in this program SAP LZA1. So this is the one of the program. So D400 PBO status title create change describe line. Okay, I will simply put somewhere the breakpoint. Here I put the breakpoint, and also here also I put some breakpoint. Read address. This is the address data. See, put the breakpoint. Okay, guys. Now I go to the BP again. Come back and business transaction. Go here, enter and change. And no, no, yes. One save. Oh, only choose one account as recurring account. Payment transactions. Did we put two? Yes, here. See, this is the enhancement which we did by using BADI. You have to choose only one recurring account. One account as an EMI. You should not put two accounts. Yeah, that is done. Why this breakpoint is not triggered? Yesterday, I am into this breakpoint, guys. Uh, Again, go to SE38 display. I think our screen is 3000, I think, right? This is not triggering. Some, okay. Every subroutine I will keep here. Okay, every subroutine call I'm going to keep. I'm not sure which. Okay. Okay, this subroutine, and this subroutine. Yeah, it is there. Somewhere it is there. ADDR2. I have seen. You see, ADDR2 is there. Subroutine. It's very big program. Every subroutine starting, I am putting break. Or else, why don't we go to this program, Control C, Control V. Okay, top declarations. Okay, we'll try once. BP. Come back and BP. Change the business partner. Go to address. Put some date instead of this. Uh, this- it's not triggering, guys. We'll do one thing. Slash h again. Do slash h. Save. Starting from this place after I did save, where it is going. So Dyne Pro begin F5 Dyne Pro begin locals, no, globals. In the global you can see Joel screen and program number. So what is the stack we need to see, guys? So the stack was locator tab and auto analysis. Was locator is the these are also some programs. Dialog jail was locator. 6 F7. This Joel bus Joel man. Some data we can see, guys. So this is a change number, ADG technology change in BP role, open number, validity period. Ekkada where is okay. So, but here the data is not captured. We entered something on the valid to and valid to, valid from, right? Oh, okay, we'll put something. It is 2019 debugging month date. We'll put something. No problem. Control 2020. I think that's doesn't work. It seems. F6. Hmm. Okay, yeah, we got it. See, I think no. We given 20, right? 2020, correct? Yeah, we have taken save. PAI. See, the data is 2023. Perfect. We got the same thing. Okay, go inside. PA begin. Okay, we have the data. F6. F6. F8. F6. It is going multiple times. F8. No changes were made. Okay. So PAI. Mm, We can write here this. PBO. Go to this program bus locator. Screen. Screen 3000. Okay. Maybe we can default the things in PBO, guys. Okay. So maybe I will do a spiral button. No, it's not at all there. You cannot enhance, guys. So suppose if you are not able to enhance something, guys, what we can do is we can write our own enhancement point. If it is an SAP internal enhancement point, it will give the icons, symbols, double quote. Suppose here my case is I need to write some code here, my own code. Okay, if you want to do this, so you have to do an insert operation. Do you see any insert operation? Insert. Include. There is should be an insert operation, guys. No, SAP has given no insert option even here itself. Did you see any insert? Sorry, here. First I need to go here. First change this. You will get an insert. Hmm, Change. Okay. Yeah. So you can see there is an option insert. See guys, here I can insert my own code. But directly, don't write the code. Okay. If you write the code directly, when you upgrade the software to the next, it doesn't copy your code, guys. So if you want to copy your code to the next upgrades, so you need to implement a enhancement operation, guys. So create. So go to the enhancement operation and create option. This is an external. So SAP doesn't give here. I'm going to implement my own code. So create option. So here you can see there are two things. One is enhancement point, another one is the enhancement section. So first you have to implement enhancement point. We'll see what exactly the enhancement point and enhancement section later. So I'm going to implement our enhancement point. G business enhancement EP enhancement point. Okay, it's in a business partner validity periods. Okay, this is my validity period business partner and okay. So control C. I put here guys control V. Okay, something BP validity period and select this and okay. And G it is C8. Okay, it's a S4 right? So this you can implement in S4 now only guys. In normal ECC system, you cannot implement explicit enhancement. Why? Access key. Perfect. So in a SAP, if it is an implicit enhancement, no need to have an access key. If it is an implicit, no need to have an access key. But in this case, explicit enhancement need an access key, guys. Explicit enhancement needs an access key. Somewhere I put implicit enhancement. To implement access key is not required. But in case of explicit enhancement, we need to have access key. Okay. But in S4HANA, it is not required. In S4HANA, it is not required, guys. But if it is an SAP ECC, we need to have an access key. So go to here, and I don't want any access key now. It's an explicit enhancement point, guys. So here I am going to implement my code. Okay, code. So what I will do? So just take this, uh, Control C. So how do you do this, guys? If you want to access this stack, first you need to declare in a field symbols. So field symbols LFS underscore main, and which is a type of. So I don't know what is the type. So we need to go to this program first. We need to go to this program, guys. Go to this program. Where is the program? SC38 control V display. When you start SAPL, that means it's in a function group. When any program starts with SAPL, it's in a function group program, and you can see them in the fields. In the fields, you can see uh, the declarations. So what is the declaration? So it's in a bus jail. So go to the fields. Mhm. A B C D bus jail. Okay, types. Bus jail main, guys. See, the type of this is bus jail main. Control C. Huh? Bus tables bus jail main. This is type of bus jail main, guys. Now what you need to do? Assign field symbols. Assign first. Open the bracket and to okay your field symbol LFS underscore main. So inside this, what you need to put? So in the single quote, put your program name like this. So put this. Control C. Control. So this is additional. So first assign, you need to have in a bracket. Inside the bracket, single quote, pass this value to the your local field symbol. Now change the default the values, guys. So whenever you change the value in the field symbol, now you can say valid from, see valid from, always valid from is sci hyphen datum, and valid to is give the 360 days later valid to, and which is equal to the sci hyphen datum plus 365. So this is the thing which we are going to do, guys. Save, and also we'll put in a breakpoint as well, guys. So breakpoint, or else don't put static. It's very difficult to. Okay, you cannot have a pretty printer, guys, in the enhancement points. See, can you do the pretty printer? No. If you want to do a pretty printer, create local program and do the pretty print and copy that to over here. So that's kind of things you need to do and activate your enhancement point. So I activated and put in a here breakpoint. Now we'll see the business partner. We'll create fresh business partner, guys. Now BP. It's triggering first itself and see. So is it assigned? See the value is breakpoint. Double click. Okay. So it's not assigned, guys. The problem is here. The program is not yet executed. That means the value is not assigned. So if it is not assigned, when you use field symbol, what will happen? Huh? It gives in a short dump. But okay. See, guys, automatically you are getting 9/12/2019 and 365 days. Okay, okay. It's not this one. Sorry. It's not it's not a old one, it's a new one. Go to the BP, create a fresh one, guys. See, this is giving me the dump. So what you need to do to avoid this dump? Huh? So whenever it is in a field symbol, you need to check whether the value is assigned or not, guys. Okay. So take this field symbol. When you want to assign some values, before that, you need to check is assigned. If it is assigned, the object is assigned, then only assign the values. Otherwise, don't assign the value. So that's the dangerous field symbols. You must always check whether the value is assigned or not. If it is assigned, then only it will go inside. Otherwise, it doesn't go inside. If it doesn't go inside, then no dump comes, guys. So that's the name field symbol. And maybe I go to now BP and it is going inside. So go inside, go inside. See, it's not going inside, guys. So First time there is no values, that's no problem. And when I go and create the person, guys, I'm going to create a person, F8, F8. So now it is coming, guys. Read address, it is coming over here. When I create a person, it is coming. This person address is triggering. Many times it will delete all BBs. F8. Okay. I put Mr. Choose the role in which you want to create the business partner. Hmm. Put some address, and also you can see the validity period in this. Did you see the validity period? It is saved. For person, it is not triggering, guys. For person, hmm, so it's not triggering. Okay, we'll go to the VS01, our favorite transaction, and enter. And maybe what we are going to do is this is my customer PO reference, guys. So I need to default some value in the PO reference. Okay, F1, and go to the customer PO reference. And this is the field from the VVKD. And go to the program SAP MV45. Screen is 4001. Go to the 4001 and initialize before output, title bar, process after input. Okay, and go to subscreen header, and what is the screen number? Screen of this taxi header subscreen. You know there is a program which will be triggered, guys. What is that program? VBKD SE38 SAP MV45FZZ. MV45FZ, not SAP, MV45FZZ. This is the program which is having. So here you can see there is a field, move field to the VBKD. Did you see any field? Move field to the VBKD. So this is the guys. So here I need to include some fields. I need to default the value. Double click, change the program, and don't do the direct modification. Instead of that, I'm going to create my own point, guys. My own point I'm going to create over here. And create. Um, what is the right click? Create enhancement operation and create the option. So there are two ways. First, check for the implicit. Don't go for the explicit immediately, guys. Sorry. First, you need to check for the implicit enhancement. Okay. So maybe if you want to check for the implicit enhancement, click on the spiral and S and edit enhancement operation. Show implicit enhancement. See, there is an a see there is an a implicit enhancement, guys. So don't go for the explicit enhancement. Sorry. So first you have to check for the implicit and right click on double quotes and enhancement operations and create the implementation. This is an implicit enhancement. Implicit, no need to have anything, no need to have any access key or anything, and implement the code and create your implicit enhancements JIT EMP and VA01 VA01 or else VBKD underscore default VBKD details case. Okay, default values in VBKD. Okay, and okay, and save it in the EDG and save. So this implicit you can do in SAP ECC as well. No need to, because no need to have an access key. So you can do the implicit enhancement in the SAP ECC as well. Go to the same program, you can practice it, guys. Okay, and see, this is my implicit enhancement. It is giving me a portion where I can write the code, guys. So my fields are VBKD div. So you can do the default the values here. So there are some fields. So PO number. What is the PO number in the VBKD? VBKD and display, and you can see PO purchase order, invoice date. You can default Incoterms, guys. Incoterm 1 and Incoterm 2. So I'm going to default INCO1. This is a real-time requirement. Incoterms, I forgot. Incoterms, you can use FCA. The values are FCA's case. So if you see the values in the here, you can see those values. FCA means I don't know what exactly. We'll go here. Incoterms, payment terms are Incoterms. Execute. You can see FCA. See FCA. Free carrier. It's a free carrier. FOB, free on board, and FCA. We can use anything. Okay. FOB. Free on board. Onboarding free. And next one is Incoterm 2. Incoterm 2 also, I think the same values. Incoterm 2 and Incoterm 2 also same. I think no values in Incoterm 2. You can put same values. Okay. You can put same values. VBKD hyphen INCO2 and which is equal to the FOB and VBKD. PO is I think B. It starts with BST. Uh, BST I think. This is the field for the PO. It's an EDG default PO. This is my default PO, guys. So that's my BSTKD is the PO number. Control F. BSTKD. See the customer reference PO number. Customer's order your reference. I think BSTKD. Purchase order, ship to party purchase order. Okay, we have something. So we'll do this. We'll see and activate the implicit enhancement. Implicit enhancement, activate it. Edit. Some errors. Why error? Someone created ZEP test. Who created error this before first unit? Before first unit. Who created this? Oh, I think this one, huh? Mhm. And save. So this is the hours one. Maybe we'll activate hours one only. Activate this. Okay, it's inactive. So guys, whenever you see the enhancement implementation, so sometime no syntax errors found. It's in inactive mode, guys. When I do VA01, it goes to dump. No, enter. Yes, actually, I should get the value here. Encode terms. That's not triggering. Why it's not going? Someone did enhancement. Is it activated now? Oh, now it is active here. Now we can put the breakpoint. Yes. VA01. And okay. It's not triggering. Okay, 10. So what is the, this is this. Now it is triggering. See, I encode term 1, encode term 2. But we are replacing the existing one with the our new one. Okay, and F8, 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 the other quantity 1, F8, F8. See guys, it is the default PO and you can see FOB. In terms we defaulted with the FOB. If you want to see in the header, there also you can see the header in the header level. FOB, somewhere you can see shipping. Okay, save it, save the order. Edit. No customer master exists, it is asking. We'll change the customer master, yes. So we'll get the order, some order, and we'll see this. How to get the customer master? So So we have to go to KNVV 1710 1000. SE16N KNVV 1710 10 00. No, no, 1710 10 00. So we will take the 90 is there, huh? Why it's taking? It's not there. 90 only we have taken. 89, 89. Okay. Redetermine and F8, F8. Solder party redetermine F8. Okay. F8 and F8, F8. And that's it, guys. Save the order. Redetermine F8, F8. How many times it is coming, guys? Okay, somewhere we are defaulting 90. Huh? Yes. 498 has been created, the order. So go to the, what is the table? VBKD 498 is the order. I don't want all the fields we use. Control F, INCO1. BSTKD. Now you can see F. In column 1 FOB, in column 2 FOB, and it is the default PO, guys. So that's the defaulting the VBKD values with implicit enhancement. Okay. So tell me one transaction where you want to enhance. FP01. Okay. Here you can see the document date, guys. Document date. Always, every day, almost whenever you come to this transaction, you need to enter today's date. Now, most of the times, we enter the today's date in the document date. So every time you need to enter the value, right? And even this also we will default the things, guys. So this is the screen. How can you get the screen? System status FB01. This is the transaction, and Dyne Pro is the 100. First we'll go to the 100. And before coming into the screen, PBO, okay, transaction init. Okay, transaction init. See, guys, the transaction init. So what I can do is I can do something, and maybe first I will see the layout. What is the structure defined with that field? See, there is a document date. The structure is the BKPF BL DAT, guys. Okay, this is the field which is defined with BKPF BL DAT, and company code BKPF. Everything is from BKPF only. BLART. Posting date BUDAT. Okay. So the screen is 100, and in the initial itself, go to the initial. While it is loading, maybe I will look for the implicit enhancement. Definitely there is an implicit enhancement, guys. Definitely there is an implicit enhancement. Utilities, or sorry, edit enhancement operations, show implicit enhancement. See, before coming itself, you have an implicit enhancement. Okay, here you can implement the code, enhancement operations, and create the implementation. And I would like to put in a code, and create GIMP underscore posting. This is an FI posting document and default document doc date. Okay, default document date, whatever you want you can do, but just I am doing simple operation. Okay, and okay, and okay, and see guys, now you can write your own code guys. This is no need to have an access key, nothing. And we have a bkpf hyphen document date bld80. See, one is the bld80 and which is equal to sci hyphen data and bkpf hyphen company code also you can do it Bucharest, and which is equal to the, what is the company code, SC16N. And do you know company code master table T001? So execute. So we'll see the company 1000 will do 1710 guys. So 1710 I put an a 1710 and document type bkpf. So what kind of accounting document it is? So the document types will be available in bkpf. Okay, document type. Okay, F4. What kind of posting it is? Accruals, customer document. Okay, vendor invoice, customer invoice. Yes, I want. Did you see any customer invoice? Invoice REKR. Did you see any? Huh? Here is the DR. I would like to create a DR. That means it's a customer invoice. So BLART, which is equal to the DR. So I'm going to default these values, activate the enhancement. Implicit is very easy. See, activated. This enhancement is activated. See, if you want to go to this enhancement, guys, it's in a new enhancement spot actually. This is the implementation for the enhancement spot. So see, take this, and if you go to the SC19, you will get same thing, guys. SC19. So is it the implementation of classic BADI? No. This is the implementation of the new BADI. So that's why you need to give it over here, guys, and a display. See, guys, you will see the this implementation in the SC19, and also exactly the place if you want to go to. If you come from the SC19, you have to go to the editor. See, exactly it comes to that point, guys. So from SC19 also you can come. So this is a new BADI enhancement implementation, guys. And maybe I can put in a breakpoint. Now run the FB01. FB01. This to post a FI document, guys. See, it is triggering. So before coming into the screen, the PBO will be triggered. Model pool. The PBO we have written our enhancement, implicit enhancement. And here you can see side atom. I'm defaulting these values, and these values will be defaulted. See, oh, not defaulted. Document date. So BLD80. What is this? FI BUD80. Why it's not coming? Actually, here it should be defaulted. Huh? This is working. Put the breakpoint again. If FB01, you have to debug, guys. Standard code debugging. Okay, I pass the values. That's fine. So whenever you comes Initialization. I think is they clearing? I think they are clearing, it seems. And see the values in BKPF. BKPF. So the values are there. BLART is there, BLDAT is there, company code is there. Somewhere it is clearing. We'd like to see those values. F6. Don't execute function modules. See, get parameter ID. Everything is important, guys. Okay. BKPF is gone. Now it comes again. Yeah, the values still exist. 7. F7. Okay. F6, 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 F6. See the values? Yeah, it is cleared, guys. So I think where it is cleared, somewhere it is clear. Hmm. So here I will default just one value, guys, 1710. See, if I write the code over there, it's not working. So maybe you need to remember this place, guys. Uh, this program, and this is the include. This is the subroutine, guys. PBO end. Okay, and PBO end. Function print screen. Control V. So I did some change in the debugging 1710 here. So now you will get this 1710. See, so the place which I selected is it's not a correct place. So where I need to go? I need to go and implement in this place. PBO and. So this is the debugging, guys. SE 80. Okay, program. What is the program? This is the SAP M F05. SAP M F05. Enter. SAP M F0 na, I think. SAP M. Okay, I will go to the SE 38. SAP M F 0 5 display. Okay, uh, go with this, and in this, what is that? Form. Form means subroutines. Subroutines. It's in the PBO. PBO PBO, PBO end. Okay. PBO end. PBO and yes. So place the cursor, click on this, and spiral. Where I put a edit and show implicit enhancement. Yes, that that place is not working. Actually, you need to delete that, guys. In real time, we will delete that implicit enhancement. We'll create the new one. We'll create the implementation now. I want code. Create. Same. Just I put. Instead of this, we have to put program name, guys, to easily remember. Okay. What is this? SAP MB MF05A. Okay. Default something. Okay. And okay. Now you can write the same code. BKPF hyphen BL DAT, and which is equal to the side data, and BKPF hyphen BUKRS, which is equal to the 1710, and BKPF hyphen BLART, and which is equal to the DR. You can tell this scenario, guys. It's a real-time scenario. It's common. We will do this kind of things. Okay, activate it. Now go back and FB01. It's triggering. So first one we did here, it's not working, guys. Now you can see the 1710 DR and this case. So second enhancement it is working, which is defaulted on this FB01. Okay. So this is the implicit enhancement. The explicit thing is, suppose what I need to do is scenario. I need scenario, guys, for the explicit enhancement. I need to prepare in a scenario. FBL5N, guys. This is also one of the report. FBL1N. So this is the one of the report. F5 report. FBL5N. Yeah. So it is going to display all the customer open items. Execute. No account fulfills the selection conditions. Company code will take 1710. So for this company code, there are different customers. So no items. So maybe I will go to the customer details. SC16N. All the open items will be available. Customer BS ID. So we'll take the details. So take some of the company code, customer. So 95 is the customer. Control C. 95 is the customer. 95. See, it is going to show all the customer details. Maybe what I need to do is I need to see what I need to do is first I need to click on, suppose if I click this, it should display, this is the document number, double clicks, it goes automatically. SAP standard is there. If I click, okay, I need to enhance my own functionality. It's not real time, but I am giving some scenario case. When I select this and when I click something, it should go to the transaction. Maybe you can see the customer transaction. Maybe I can go to the customer transaction. Double click customer also, it will go. No, it's not going. See guys, when I double click here, it should go to the customer transaction, guys. That's my requirement. When I click on the customer number, it should go to the customer transaction. Is it customer or business partner? We'll check first. 95. First, whether it is customer or whether it is a business partner, go to the 95. Business partner 95. No. What is this then? XD03 is absolute, right? Hmm? Hmm? Hmm. Customer 95. No, no, it's going to the item level. It is going. BL5 and clearing document. So, what is the output? How they designed the output system status? Go to this report. This report is designed. All these performs. How they are designed. Start of selection, set parameters. KNA1 fill. GI progress indicator. Selection account. Output. Subroutines. Change status, change date item. Okay. Display. How do you know? How did they screens? It's a normal output. Huh? This normal output only, right? It's normal output only. Right statement. System status. Right. See, they are writing only, guys. Hmm. Okay. Initial field catalog. See, they would like to add something. I see. So maybe I would like to. This is the one structure, guys. They are going to do this thing. And SC 11. It's a ALV report. I think, yeah, we have some fields in this RSPO, SX, and also there are two structures I think which will be available: star F4 RFPOS. Huh? Just now I got something. Huh. If I do this star F4, why I'm not getting? See, I will put on a star F4, search for structures. See guys, there are two things. One is RFPOS extensions. We can add our own fields guys. So display, and suppose what I am going to do is I am going to add my own fields, append structure and create. I'm going to add GEDC underscore, add some fields, customer fields maybe, or else I can use uh, customer fields. Okay, add customer pan and I'm going to add two fields to the FBL file. Okay, it is added. So two fields are added. See, Aadhaar and PAN. Even I can add the same fields to the structure as well. RFPOS extension. XEXT display and append structures. Create G append structure and RF ext PAN number types. PAN number and a Aadhaar number types that DE Aadhaar. So two structures you need to enhance to get this into your output guys. So come back and okay. SC11 display. See, the two fields are added. When we go to the FBL5N and execute and go to the layout, in the layout you should see these two fields. See, PAN card number, Aadhaar number, two fields which are added, that comes into this, and select here and bring to here and okay. See, the PAN card and Aadhaar card comes, but the data doesn't comes guys. The fields are added to the standard transaction. We have added PAN card number, Aadhaar number into the FBL5N. Okay, but how can I populate the data into PAN card number and Aadhaar number? How can I populate this? Okay, so for that actually we need to enhance this transaction guys. We need to enhance this transaction. So If you want to enhance this transaction, maybe I go to the mm, so for this screen, which one will trigger 2 times, guys? PBO will trigger 2 times, the action. Also go to the screen. What is the screen number? It's a report. Report, I think how it will trigger. There are different screens available, guys. Modify field catalog. See. Uh, so I will put here, guys. I will put the breakpoint here. Is it triggered 2 times or not? I will check. Okay, FBL5N and execute. Okay, do the here. It's not triggering. Execute. We need to see the point, guys, where it will trigger. The point, if you know, then we can implement the explicit enhancement point. So this is the thing. System status report program GUI client SAP data. It's an ALV report. How they are calling 2 times? ALV FPL5N system status. This is the program. What is the output logic they are doing? Macros screens only 1000. Set parameters. Set dynamic selections. LDB logical database they are using. KN A1 info field. Make field catalog. Check TBL to set technical attributes. Save all selections. Display grid or classic. Okay. There is a BADI, guys. FI items change data BADI is available. See. So classical BADIs are called by using CL underscore exit handler get instance, guys. See. This is the BADI which is calling. In this BADI also, I think we can write the code if you want. See, put in a breakpoint. Read central items, authority, enters. that's it. See, F5 items display. In this default check existence default variant on SAP, set title bar. See, ALV event make events get. Okay, set title bar. See, set title bar this, and also they are using list displayer, and also they are using structure extension. That's why it is coming. User command. Okay, user commands. This is the subroutine, guys. Control C, and also there is a set PF status as well. Set PF status. So go to the subroutines. One is the user command. Where is the user command and all? They didn't define. Huh? It is layout. To, wait. Mhm. It is displaying in grid. We have pan, other. Uh, so we need to populate the data here. So to populate the data, maybe what is the data final internal table they are using? IT underscore items. Maybe what I can do is I would like to write the logic here itself, guys. So before printing this, I would like to append the data into IT underscore items. So IT underscore items, where is that? See, how can I add the data into here? Here I need to write in a logic. ఇక్కడ నేను లాజిక్ రాయాలి. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ లాజిక్ రాయాలంటే మేబీ స్పైరల్ అండ్ గో విత్ ఎడిట్ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ షో ఇంప్లిసిట్ ఎన్హాన్స్మెంట్. సో ఈ ప్లేస్ లో మీకు చూపిస్తుంది, అది చూపించట్లే. సి, there is no implicit enhancement in this point. Exactly, I need to write something here. There is no implicit enhancement. So what I need to do here, I need to do an insert. So okay, so here put an insert. Here I am going to write my own logic, guys. So what we will do, I will add code. Okay, I will take this loop at loop at IT underscore items, assigning field symbol LFS underscore items and loop, and I am going to assign the values LFS underscore ITEMS. Are you going to do a direct code? Are you going to directly modify the code? If it is an upgrade, it doesn't support in the upgrade, guys. So always you need to implement the explicit enhancement spot. So implicit is not available. You have to create a create option. So here G explicit enhancement point. Okay, FBL5N populate pan. Okay, take this value, keep it here, select something, and okay, okay, and okay. So here you need to implement the logic is loop at IT underscore ITEMS. So here the logic, the data is we are putting into IT underscore items, and I am declaring the inline declarations for the field symbol and the LFS underscore items. Okay, and loop. What happened? Assigning, yeah, missing angle bracket. So take the assign the pan and Aadhaar, guys. Okay, Control C, Control V. Put something. Okay, pan number. Give some random number, guys. ARS PK 2327. Yeah, and Aadhaar. Some 12 digit I think we have given, right? Control C. Just I am hard coding the value, but you need to get these values from the customer master. Care name and table you need to get it, guys. But I'm not getting that data. Yeah, Aadhaar number, and which is equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. That's it. Activate. See, you can only maintain the object modification. Okay. See, this this point is in active mode, guys. See, enhancement point and FI items. This is in active mode, and okay, active, and maybe you can put in a breakpoint here. Break. So now FBL5 and execute, and okay, that is okay. See, it goes here, and it is going to assign the IT underscore items. You have some data. Internal table. This is the internal table, guys. So come back. Debugging. Go to new debugger. Okay, F8. You can see the data. See, go to the layout and move them to details. Aadhaar PAN number equal to this, and okay. and you can see the PAN card details and Aadhaar card number, guys. So this is an explicit wherever you want to write. So if you want to write, if there is no implicit enhancement, we will go for the explicit enhancement point, guys. Okay, this is a explicit enhancement point, but we have a lot of theory we have to discuss on this, and maybe tomorrow we'll see the theory part. What is explicit enhancement? What is implicit enhancement? And also we have explicit enhancement section as well that we'll see in the tomorrow's class, guys. And maybe you can say enhanced scenarios, huh? Enhanced FBL 5N to add additional fields. Okay, used some structures, guys. You need to take you enhance structures. Two structures we need to enhance if you want to do this. So go to the SE10 mob 9. Who is doing? So these two structures you need to enhance. One RF EOS. These two structures you have to do it, guys. And implemented explicit enhancement point. If anyone take this server, SAP doesn't work. We are doing a lot of functionals. Suppose if any functional want to do something in this, we are deviating total functionality with our own requirements. Okay, that's it. We'll see the BT in the tomorrow's class, guys. Business transaction events tomorrow. Then maybe tomorrow we will end the enhancements. So after ending enhancements, we have to go to interfaces, right?